Pot lids arranged for quick access save crucial minutes during large meal prep and reduce countertop clutter. Start by sizing and mapping your cookware to the space before buying hardware so every lid and pan has a clear home. Configure deep drawers with vertical separators set to the widths of your largest lid so they stand upright and cannot topple when you reach in. Install tilt-out racks mounted to upper drawer fronts to hold lids at an angle where they are visible and simple to grasp without removing nearby items. Use pull-out pot racks on heavy-duty roller bearings for pans. These allow you to slide a stack out smoothly and remove any lid without lifting the entire pile. Consider peg system inserts inside drawers so pegs can be repositioned to match irregular lid diameters and to prevent rattling during drawer movement. Finally, label zones by lid size or pot family and keep a single place for lids to return to after washing to maintain the system during busy weeks. 3 common issues are lids falling over in deep drawers, lids scratching each other, and inaccessible lids in stacked pans. If lids fall over, add vertical dividers that go at least 2/3 of the lid height and anchor them to the drawer bottom so lids remain upright. To prevent scratches, use thin silicone sleeves on rim edges or line divider faces with low-profile felt strips to cushion contact. For stacked pans trapping lids, install a shallow tilt-out rack in a nearby drawer front or use a magnetic strip inside a cabinet door to hold frequently used lids at hand. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover local contractors for kitchen projects like deep drawer conversions and pull-out rack installation by connecting neighborhood buyers and sellers. We also give contractors a place to find work and build a presence, and our site includes a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.